Hey, ladies and gentlemen, what's up? Devon Brown here, and real quick, I just got off the phone with a client of mine, and I wanted to share with you what he said to me, and I figured I'd make a video about it because he's not the first person to say it to me, and I know that a lot of you, especially if you're newer in this whole make money online industry, you may be thinking the same thing, right? So my client, we set up his business for him. Right? And he's got a little bit of traffic coming to his business, and he's got some people on his email list, and he's promoting some stuff. He's still in the kind of beginning stages. He's made a couple of sales, and he says to me, basically, I'm going to grossly oversimplify this. Long story short is that he was comparing himself and the results that he was getting to me and the results I get, and to other gurus and the results they get. And this is something that I find that newbies do all the time. You see, the challenge is, this is what I told him. He says, Devon, how come I see people like you and this person, and he listed off a bunch of names, and all the results that you guys are getting? That's what he's like, that's what I see. That's what I see in my Facebook feed. That's what I see every single day, is all these big results. But when I do it, I get smaller results. I said, your vision is skewed. I said, you're looking at this way incorrectly. What you're seeing is maybe 1 or 2%. So if there's 100 people in a program, right? Then the 5 of us who are doing really, really well, that's what you see in your newsfeed all day. And your assumption is that everybody's doing that well, and that's not the case. The other 95, so out of 100 people in a program, you got like me and 4 other people that are like really, really kicking ass. And the reason we're kicking ass, by the way, is because we've been doing this for years. Our lists are in the tens, if not hundreds of thousands. Like, you can't, if you're just starting out and your list is 1,000 people and I've got a list of 50,000 people and I've got a relationship with that list, then at the absolute least, my results are going to be 50 times what yours are, or 25 times what yours are, or whatever. So that's not a fair comparison. What you need to do is compare yourself to what the masses are doing. And if you do that, then you'll realize that you're really kicking butt and taking names, and you're actually on the right track. So he's inundated with everybody who says, oh my God, this person made this commission, and this person's made a commission every day, and this person's made $1,000 yesterday. And that's what he sees in his Facebook feed. And I'm like, yeah, but that's not real. He's like, Devon, I've only made $1,000 in a month, or whatever. And I'm like, that's kick ass. And he's like, really? And I'm like, yeah, because out of 100 people, you see the 5 of us that are making money, but what you don't see are the 60 who haven't made a dime. When you compare yourself to all 100, then what you realize is you're in the top 20 percentile. And those small results are how it starts. It starts off with no results, then small results, then medium results, then big results, right? It goes, and sometimes it goes back down. But that's how it goes up. So my point in this whole video is to simply say this. Stop comparing yourself and the results that you're getting to other people, especially the gurus and the experts and the people who have been doing this for umpteen years. That is not the average. That is not the standard. The results, that experts get are the exception, not the rule. And the reason that they're the exception is because the expert has taken time to get really good at a skill set, and to build their list and get good at emailing and communication and all that stuff, so that they can get that kind of results. So when you see the results that the experts are getting, don't compare yourself to them and say, oh, my system is broken, it's not working for me. No, say, okay, that's good. They've been doing this 10 years longer than I have. That's a good goal to strive towards. Okay? So that's it. And understand, because you don't see it every day. I see it every day because I talk to a whole bunch of people. When you compare yourself to the other to everybody that's in a particular program or something, you're going to realize you're doing much better than you think. So I hope that makes sense. That's all I got. Like this video, share it, comment on it. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.